make the coolest origami pumpkin ever. Need is 2 pieces of colored paper. Put them together, make sure they're really even or it won't work. And now you need to make it a square. You cut it here. Hard. Make sure you cut all the way through both of the paper. Need these pieces anymore, but you can use them later. So now you open it up to there and then you fold it the other way. Make sure it's perfect and fold it hard so then it's folded properly. You open it up and then turn it over. So you fold it square ways, the opposite way now. Same on the other side as well. Then you turn it over and then you fold it. So watch really carefully. So you fold this and this into a square. Now you need to fold this to the line. On both sides, like this. And then you do it on the other side as well. Where it gets really tricky, so watch closely. So you fold it in like that and you do it on all sides. Where it gets really tricky, everybody. So this is really tricky, everybody. So you gotta fold it like this, right to the middle line. You need to fold it in here. Make sure it's really tucked in. Flip it over and do it on all 4 sides. Everybody, you need a black texture. And you're going to draw your eyes and your mouth. And then you're going to color it in. and then you fold it here a bit. Everybody, this is the exciting part. This is going to be your trick-or-treat candy bucket. And you need to flatten it out really cool and good. You've got to get the offcuts and you need to fold it in 3 places. Now watch me carefully. Put these on, you've got to glue these on. And now you put it on your pumpkin. And fold this so then it's easier to bend. And everybody, you can put all your candy in here. Coolest candy bucket you've ever seen. See you on the next video.